Welcome back to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. In this continuation, we'll guide you through the hands-on process of replacing your power steering belt, providing detailed steps and expert tips to ensure a successful outcome. Follow along as we empower you to tackle this essential maintenance task with confidence. Power steering belt replacement cost. When it comes to replacing a power steering belt, the cost can vary depending on several factors. Let's dive into what you need to know. Factors affecting cost. The cost of replacing a power steering belt is influenced by a few key factors. One significant factor is the make and model of your vehicle. Different cars require different types of belts, and some are more expensive than others. Additionally, labor charges play a crucial role in determining the overall cost. Labor rates can vary based on the mechanic's expertise and location. Average cost range. On average, the cost of replacing a power steering belt typically ranges from around $100 to $200. This estimate includes both the cost of the new belt and the labor charges for installation. However, it's essential to note that prices can fluctuate based on the factors mentioned earlier. It's always a good idea to get quotes from multiple mechanics to ensure you're getting a fair price for the replacement. Replacing a power steering belt is a necessary maintenance task to ensure your vehicle's steering system functions correctly. By understanding the factors that affect the cost and having a general idea of the average price range, you can make informed decisions when it comes to maintaining your car's power steering system. When to replace the power steering belt. Regular maintenance of your vehicle's power steering system is vital for a smooth and hassle-free driving experience. Knowing when to replace the power steering belt can save you from unexpected breakdowns and costly repairs. Let's delve into the importance of keeping an eye on your power steering belt and the preventive measures you can take to ensure its longevity. Maintenance schedule. Following the manufacturer's recommended maintenance schedule is crucial for the health of your power steering belt. It is generally advised to check the condition of the power steering belt every 30,000 to 50,000 miles or every 2 to 3 years, whichever comes first. However, driving conditions and climate can impact the lifespan of the belt. If you notice any signs of wear such as cracks, fraying, or squealing noises, it's time to consider replacing the belt sooner. Preventive maintenance tips. To extend the lifespan of your power steering belt and avoid sudden failures, here are some preventive maintenance tips to keep in mind. 1. Inspect regularly. Make it a habit to visually inspect the power steering belt for any signs of wear or damage. Look out for cracks, glazing, or uneven wear patterns that indicate it's time for a replacement. 2. Keep it tensioned right. Ensure the power steering belt is properly tensioned to prevent slipping and premature wear. A loose belt can lead to inefficient power steering operation. 3. Avoid overloading. Limit the strain on the power steering system by avoiding sudden, sharp turns and heavy steering inputs. Overloading the system can put unnecessary stress on the belt, leading to quicker deterioration. 4. Stay cool. Heat is the enemy of rubber components like the power steering belt. Park your vehicle in shady areas whenever possible to prevent excessive heat exposure that can degrade the belt over time. By following these preventive maintenance tips and staying on top of the manufacturer's recommended maintenance schedule, you can ensure that your power steering belt performs optimally and lasts longer, providing you with a smoother driving experience and peace of mind. After exploring the detailed steps involved in power steering belt replacement, it's evident that this maintenance task is crucial for the safety and optimal performance of your vehicle. By understanding the process and recognizing the signs indicating a need for a replacement, you can proactively address issues before they escalate into more significant problems. Importance of timely power steering belt replacements. Regularly inspecting and replacing your power steering belt can prevent sudden failures while driving, ensuring that you have full control over your vehicle at all times. A worn-out or damaged power steering belt can lead to difficulties in steering, making it challenging to navigate corners or sudden maneuvers. Timely replacements also prevent potential damage to other components within the power steering system, saving you from costly repairs down the road. Ensuring vehicle safety and performance. By staying proactive and adhering to a routine maintenance schedule for your power steering belt, you safeguard not only your safety but also the overall performance of your vehicle. A smoothly functioning power steering system enhances your driving experience, providing responsive and effortless steering control. Neglecting the health of your power steering belt can compromise your ability to maneuver the vehicle effectively, putting you and your passengers at risk. Summarizing the key points. Finally, power steering belt replacement is a fundamental aspect of vehicle maintenance that should not be overlooked. By staying vigilant, understanding the signs of a failing power steering belt, and taking timely action, you can ensure a safe and enjoyable driving experience. Remember, when it comes to your vehicle's power steering system, proactive care and regular inspections are key to longevity and performance. We hope you found the step-by-step instructions and expert tips valuable in completing your power steering belt replacement project. Be sure to check out our other resources for more DIY car maintenance guides and tips. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.